Hello friends. Today in this video I will explain how to create report in report builder. So this is a MySQL server, and in this SQL server we have one server, this one server, and have multiple database present in this server like demo ASP.NET MBC company demo1 EF underscore DB hotel management cast matrimony my first project, so many database present here. So let's start. I have already installed report builder. So first you have to install the report builder in your laptop, and second step, after install the report builder you need to start the Microsoft report builder, and there open one pop-up window. In this pop-up window it's showing here multiple option. So like for example, new report, first one. Inside the new report have multiple option, table or matrix. Second option, chart, map, and blank report. So here have four different option, but today I will start with a table or matrix wizard. So I selected table or matrix wizard. After that, here showing the one option, choose an existing data set in this report or shared data set. So you have to click on the radio button, and then you have uh, non the in downside have one option, other create a data set. So better like we can create a new data set. Okay, and then click on next, new button, next, and there have one option to data source connection. So you need to click on browse. No need to click on browse, there don't have any existing file, so better we can click on new. So after click on new, here showing a data source name, data source 1, and there have one select connection string type, SQL server. We are using SQL server. If we are using here Azure Analyst Service, Azure SQL Data Warehouse, entire data, Microsoft Analytics platform system, any other. So now Teradata, XML, many more things. So now I'm using here Microsoft SQL server. So it's selected by default. Then here one option to build. Why? Actually we need to create connection string. So you need to click on the build, and there have one option, server name. So click on SQL server. This is your server name. Actually I am using local server. Local server in in the sense like local database. I am not using any server. I am creating this video learning purpose, so I am using a local server. Okay, and then you have to put here the server name, and there are multi two options, use window authentication and SQL server authentication. So I'm using here window authentication. So by default selected window authentication. There have one drop down. In this drop down showing multiple database, suppose that I select here demo database. It's okay, demo database, yeah, other database, whatever your choice. And there downside one option, test connection succeed, and then you have to click on OK button. It's okay. Then again you can want to check like test connection, so simply click on connection, and then you can click on create. After they're showing a data source, and then downside in right downside bottom side have next button, you need to click on that one. And here have two option, table store procedure, edit as a text. So we can select any table, or whatever table is present in our database, all tables select here. Like for example, I want to create report for this table only, or I need like store procedure, based on the store procedure. So in downside showing here store procedure. If you create already in our database have multiple data store procedure, I can select any one, and then like for example this one, I select this store procedure. So it's auto generate here whatever query we have. Like for example, get card description. hmm? So three field is showing here. So after that you need to click on next button. And if you want to you want to edit something manually, so there have one option, edit as a text, correct. Or there you can put here your store procedure name, get description, and auto selected here store procedure name. But no, I want to need text. So suppose that I have written one store procedure, like not store procedure, select query, copy, or simply I want to write down the custom text. Suppose that I want to write down this one. So go back in report builder and just paste control A, control B, and then you can uh, run. Next, here showing two value, so simply you can select and drag here. uh, Means like here showing available fields, and we can drag, and then we can hmm, column groups, row groups, and then you can click on next. Correct, here showing car id, car name, and then you next click on next. It's showing look like, and then you can click on finish. It's showing look like. Hmm? Okay. And if you want to add something, customize this report, like I want to add here title, car details, so we can do that, not any issue. Details. Okay. And if you want to like border color, red color, something look like, so you can do. It's not like I want to red like that. Correct. And in description side, I want to modify this text is a, like italic, bold, and font size also. They we have one option to yellow. Like do we can do that, and font size we can customize according to our requirement. So and paragraphs we can set like that. So and there have one option to border also. After that, we have one option to run. So let's start. Click on run button, and you can see here the preview of the report. After do some changes, it's showing look like. Okay, so car details, car id, car name. So same report is generated successfully, and after that you simply save this file, like xyz.rdl. This rdl file is generated, rdl xyz. RDL file has been generated successfully. This RDL file you have to map with your report server. So if you have already report server, simply in report server you can upload this RDL file, or your file is generated showing inside the report server side. I hope you understand. It's a very simple and easy way to explain report how to generate in Microsoft Builder. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any queries, so please ping me. I will ready to help always. Thank you so much.